Hello students, welcome back to the channel regarding decision science and statistics. Earlier we have studied Hungarian method for assignment problem. We have studied two variations, that is minimization problem, unbalanced problem. Now here we are going to study the third variation, that is called as maximization problem. Now how first step in maximization problem is looks similar. First is to check whether it is balanced or not. If not, then add dummy row or a dummy column. Then we need to convert the profit matrix into relatively loss matrix. Now how to do this? That in simple step we say that convert the maximization problem into minimization problem. Now how to do is check the maximum element from the overall matrix. Now if you observe the problem here, the maximum element is 11. Now subtract all the remaining values from the remaining 11. That is 10 minus 11 minus 10, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 8, the first matrix. And then solve the remaining matrix as per what we have studied in the Hungarian method. And for calculating the final answer, consider the original matrix values. Now in this problem, first step we check is whether balanced. Yes, 5 rows and 4 columns. So we need to add one more column, that is dummy. Now how to do is add values at 0 in that particular dummy column. Now in this particular matrix, we need to convert this matrix now to minimization matrix. Now consider which is the highest value. The highest value is this 11. Now subtract all the remaining values from 11. Now subtract all the remaining values from 11. Take the first row. 11 minus 10 is 1, 11 minus 5 is 6, 11 minus 7 is 4, 11 minus 8 is 3, 11 minus 0 is 11. Similarly for second row, 11 minus 11 is 0, 11 minus 4 is 7, 11 minus 9 is 2, 11 minus 10 is 1, 11 minus 0 is 11. Now this we need to repeat for all the matrix. After completing the matrix, we get a new matrix. Now we need to solve a Hungarian method. That is first step of Hungarian method. After the adding dummy row is, we can have row subtraction. Now select first row, which is the minimum value 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 11 minus 1 is 10. Repeat the same for all the rows. Now after doing it for all the rows, we get a new matrix. Now row subtraction step is over. Go for column subtraction. Now for column subtraction, we need to check each column A, B, C, D and dummy. Now for A, there is a minimum value with 0, so no need to do any changes. Second row, minimum value is again 0, so no need to do any changes in that particular column. Third column also same, so no need to do any changes in particular column. Fourth column minimum value is 1, so we can get this as 1, 0, 1, 2, 4. Last dummy column, repeat the same for dummy column. Now completing after for all the columns, we get a new matrix. Now check number of rows is, number of lines, we need to draw the lines first. Now check that row or that column which has maximum number of zeros. Which column row has maximum number of zeros? 1, 2, 1, no. Any column has more than 2 zeros? Yes, first column, so we draw a line over here. Now check any other row which has 2 zeros? No. Any column which has 2 zeros? No. So only single zero is there, so we can draw the lines. Now check. How many lines do we get? Number of lines drawn are 5. Number of rows are 5. This means equal. The solution is optimum. Here we can say that as number of lines is equal to number of rows. Solution is optimum. Now we can go for assignment. For assignment, we write down the matrix, newly formed matrix. Now for assignment, we check that row which has single zero. Now here row 5th has single zero, mark it, no zero, okay. Any other single zero? Yes. In first row, cut the corresponding column 0. Now check any row. Yes. Here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assignments. Correct. Now can we show that? Yes. Operator 1 is assigned to machine A. Operator 2 is assigned to machine D. Operator 3 is assigned to machine C. Operator 4 is assigned to dummy. Operator 5 is assigned to B. Now here we need to take the original values from the original matrix, that is cost 10, 10, 9, 0, 9. Now after adding all this, you get a final value that is called as 38. Now by making the proper assignment as 1 to A, 2 to D, 3 to C, 4 to dummy and 5 to B, we get total assignment cost is 38. So this is how we solve the assignment problem for maximization. The only twist here is check whether balanced or unbalanced, make it balanced and then convert it into minimization problem, because we are used to solving minimization problem. How to convert? Select the maximum element from the matrix, for example 11, subtract all other elements from that particular value. This use new matrix and solve as per the methods of Hungarian method. This is how we solve the maximization problem. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. I will be back with next part of this assignment problem, that is called as prohibited assignments. That is probably an important topic. Hope you all are fine. Thank you.